Hey, what's up guys, it's Inca 4x4 and thanks for tuning into this video. I'm going to go over it in Spanish and English. It's going to be a short video over Dometic's new Dometic Go system. This is just part of their lineup. It's their 11-liter jug with their tap water system. I really like it. I was looking forward to something like this, and yeah, let's get into this. Entonces este video va a ser sobre el nuevo sistema de Dometic que tiene un sistema de agua y yeah, le voy a explicar todo de eso. Before we get to it, let's go over the Inca 4x4 bag. They're $130 on my website. They're gonna come with a patch. You can use it for all sorts of stuff on the trails to pick up your trash and all that. We do have the rooftop tents in stock, and yeah, so make sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I appreciate it. So let's jump right into this. This is it. This is how it comes in the box. I ordered 2 of them, and they actually ship pretty fast, and they have 3 colors. So I got like this color, which I forget which color it was, and then like a tan. But the main thing with these jugs is basically this has like a built-in system that you could buy separately, this like magnetic system that ties into this. This is rechargeable, and there's a light underneath there. But basically, let's just go over everything that comes with this. So it comes with straps here that you can undo. They're Velcro straps, so you can undo this if you're not going to use it. Actually, I'm going to sit you down right here so I can go over this. But basically, yeah, so it's a Dometic 11 liters. They come in 3 colors. Black is the one I don't have to show you. We have a couple cool features, the removable straps. It's not too heavy to where when you fill it up with water you can't carry it. They can be stacked like sideways, and it comes with basically 3 different setups. You can grab the jug, it's got a little handle from here, from this side, and pour over like this, just straight from the top. You can use a little nozzle that comes with it, screw it on here and just use a little nozzle. They also added this feature where you can actually like unscrew this and put your whole hand in here to wash it out. So that's a pretty cool feature. And then the main cool feature that's like I love about this is when you pull this out, it has a little like filter at the bottom, but it has like a quick connect this here. And I'm not too familiar with these systems, but apparently you can, it's like a common system that they use, but just to connect that there, and then you just like tap twice and water just comes out. So that's pretty cool. Has like a little breather here. So overall, a lot of features. I really like it. You guys have to check out their like whole line of Dometic Go. They have like tables, chairs, all sorts of stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna just really touch base on it in Spanish real quick. So this right here. Entonces aquí lo que tenemos es el sistema de Dometic, que es el sistema de agua para que uno básicamente No tiene que hacer ninguna plomería, nada en su auto. Simplemente compra el contenedor y esta como pompea, y con eso esto se recarga con USB-C, y simplemente lo enchufa ahí así, y con eso ya tiene agua en camp. Y ahí si ve, tiene una lucecita. Entonces me gusta mucho porque esto, cuando lo abre completamente, lo puede meter su mano y limpiar bien. Tiene 3 diferentes formas para servir la agua. Lo puede así vaciar así nomás. Tiene su tupper que bota como agua así, lo conecta ahí. Y después tiene la forma más apropiada, es esta así. Entonces uno fácilmente puede poner su lavaplatos y todo eso así. Entonces le dejo con eso. So I'll leave you guys with this. Definitely go check out the Inca 4x4 bag, the rooftop tents, the bifold, the wedge ones I have in stock. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Appreciate for watching.